Minister, there is a background to this issue, as you're well aware. In 2015, there was an outbreak which resulted in neonatal deaths, a spike, and there were certain consequences which flowed from that, which were driven by political considerations at the time. In 2016, there was an outbreak under your watch when many babies died. There was even reports of dogs eating babies outside the facility. And you gave certain assurances to the public that this wouldn't happen again. Under your watch, in July, there's an outbreak at the premier maternal institution in the country. And you are telling this House that you didn't know about it until the end of August? In that context, is that what you're saying, Minister?
I need you to check the facts to find out what actually transpired, because it was an orchestrated attempt at creating an impression which actually never occurred in Jamaica. A social media fix.
Madam Speaker, that is unworthy. To make that pejorative remark in this House with absolutely no basis for backing it up is unworthy of the Minister, and he should withdraw that remark. That issue was reported in the media, and it was never refuted at the time. And Minister, you have not answered my question. 9 babies died under your watch in July, and you are telling me that you didn't know about it until the end of August? Are you saying that, Minister? Tell this House if that is what you're saying.